What's going on, everybody? Here we are back from Mustang week. Had a good time. Hope y'all had a good time. But something happened while we were at Mustang week. Something came in stock at American Muscle. They only got 20 of them in stock, so what did I do? I went ahead and had to get it. The MMD V2. We got it. We finally got it. I am so excited for this. Cannot wait to put this on. Everybody knows this is one of the things that I've been waiting for the most when it comes to this car. It's gonna change the whole look. It's gonna change the whole trajectory of this car. To tell you the truth, I really hope it does, because I'm starting to get bored with the clean look. Not gonna lie, and that's not good for me because that means more money spent. Deep down in my heart, I'm more of a mean, aggressive style Mustang look, i.e. Lucifer. So it's not good. I got a feeling before too long, this car is gonna slowly start turning into the more aggressive Lucifer style look. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this cures the boredom. Hopefully this changes a whole lot mentally for me. Because as of right now, the path I'll be going is a very expensive one. And on top of this, Jordan is actually outside waiting because he brought the grease gun for some bushings. Them things need some ditty lube like no other. The chirping is fixed, but the grinding is not. So time to lube them things up, then hopefully that'll fix that issue. But most importantly, the MMD V2, time to get this thing on. Coming around up under this booty, I'd be kind of curious to see which bushings can actually be lubed up. I don't think any on the sway bar itself can, which is kind of trash because I wouldn't be surprised if it is one of those that's making the noise. I don't know which ones can be lubed. There's one, so these can on these sides. But what I hear comes from up, oh man, it might be this one because this literally sounds exactly where it's from. So maybe lubing that one up could be it right here. I swear, I think I know which one it is. Got the big guns out today.
Yes, sir.
I don't even know where we start. Which one do we start with?
Just choose a side.
Lower control arms, choose a side, hit the whole shebang. Is there a point when you know it's been lubed up enough? Does it like start coming out?
Yeah, it came out right here. Get back.
Damn.
Well, here we go. Hey.
Oh. What is this button, dude? Is that button? Like, is that like a...
I think it's in the tube over here. I don't remember. I bought this thing so long ago, I haven't barely used it.
I swear, if there's one that is it, that's it, because that's where the sound comes from. I might be able to... Oh yeah, you guys.
See if you can finagle that thing.
Ooh, she hot.
Fuck!
Yep.
Yeah.
What else we got?
Does the back one have a fitting?
I'm looking.
Hopefully we're not running out. Man.
Come on, baby. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so that was a lot easier than expected for the most part. Now, for the treat. See, it looks good when it's up in the air, but I don't know. Oh God, what are we working with here?
Are these 7 mils or?
Yeah, these are gonna be 7s, and it looks like a 10 on the far outsides. There you go, sir. There's your new splitter. Come on, baby. Look good for me.
Here's hooligans outside.
Sometimes.
What up?
Did y'all hit the greasing yet?
Yeah.
How did it go? Did it take a lot?
The upper control arm.
Upper control arm.
It took a lot.
And that's right where the sound is coming from too.
Fingers crossed. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, right. My R lip, I could fucking jump on it. Fuck you, Tyler.
Hey, I told him off camera. Ow, ow.
How's your Coke?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Bro, we went in the Chick-fil-A. The lady was like, she was like, hey, welcome to Chick-fil-A. Brandon's like, thank you. I was like, bro.
Yeah.
Take a big gulp on film.
Does this one need to come off?
Oh my god, look how fucking, look how sturdy this one is, and look at that ching chong shit.
Stop worrying about my shit, bro.
That hood actually compliments it a lot.
All right, lip is installed, and here is the final product. It's definitely a lot more aggressive. My honest opinions on it, it's good. It's good. It's not blowing me out of the water, but for S197s though, I find none of them really do. If we're being honest, none of the splitters really blow me away. This is the best one that I can find, so I'm happy with it. I'll just leave it at that. I'm happy with it. It looks a lot more aggressive. You know, I like it more than the one that was on there. But it's also hard, because like I said, none of them really blow me away when it comes to S197. So unless I had a straight up GT500 front end, this is as best as I'm getting. So I'm happy with it. I think it looks really good. But I will say, I'm not gonna lie, the GTCS badge does not match in my opinion, which leads me to believe we still might have to go with a whole different look here. No more clean and pretty. Maybe we need mean and gritty. I think so. I just can't get it out of my head though. This did not help. I can't get it out of my head. Mean, gritty, evil, sinister look. I think that's just what's in my blood. I don't know. I mean, she's pretty. It is pretty. But I'm a little bored. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment section. Mean and gritty build, or keep it clean and pretty like this? I can't decide, man. I put so much time and effort and money into this already, as y'all already know. That's what this whole channel's been about so far. But I'm not satisfied. Y'all let me know. Clean and pretty or mean and gritty? I need the help. I need the help. But as of right now, like I said, this splitter is much more aggressive. I like it a lot more. The Stalker hood looks really good with it. I know that. I'm happy with it though. All right, look, so I don't want to be the one to speak too soon, but it is the next day. And I drove all the way home last night. And then I've driven back out here again today. And it's quiet. I haven't heard a peep from the car. I wasn't even thinking about it actually. But I just thought about it. I driven back over here this morning. I'm like, wait, hold up. I haven't heard anything yet. I don't want to be the one to speak too soon, but I think I'm gonna drive it some more today, but I haven't heard anything yet. And you know, normally that 30-minute mark is about when I would start hearing it. I'm telling you. I think it was that bushing on the upper control arm. I'm telling you. When I get in the back seat and I drop the seats down, literally where the upper control arm is exactly where I could hear the sound. I'm hearing nothing. No more chirping from the calipers. That's done. No more clunking and grinding from what I'd expect to be the bushings, specifically the upper control arm. We're gonna do some more driving today. You know, we're gonna do some more driving today just to see, but problem might be solved. I'll tell y'all one thing. I might be conning Derek. I'm gonna con him today. I guarantee I leave his house today with this iMac setup. Just know, at the end of this video, if I flash the camera in my room and the iMac sitting there, I did it. I made it happen. So, let's keep an eye out for that. Oh, Bluetooth valve. It's kind of a shame, you know. The car's so cool and it just sits here. Get in that comment section, clown him. Tell him to release Bluetooth valve. The poor car. The poor car. I think should have stayed in North Carolina. Damn, what is that, bruh?
Oh my god, is that a, what is that?
Fucking pterodactyl, bro.
You better get that bitch off before the acids eat your paint.
Just telling the camera. I didn't even think about it, but I didn't hear a peep. The drive home or the drive
dude,
up
I'm
here.
telling you, bro. I think it was definitely, if Jordan said the upper control arm took that much grease.
Yeah, and that's literally right where the sound was when you put the seat.
Still?
Nothing. I didn't get anything.
That's good.
So we'll drive it a little bit today, but between the 30 minutes there and back, I got nothing. So what are we going to do right now?
We are going to spend some money because you're a degenerate and you're a terrible friend that convinced me to do something.
What'd I tell you? All I know is it worked.
Wait a minute. This car's not, I think this car is feeling better.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's night and day.
It is night and day.
We're gonna go for a little drive and see if it happens again. I don't think
this driveway will tell all right now. Dude, it's a lot quieter, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm telling you, it was that upper control arm bushing, dude.
Oh, dude, yeah, she sounds good. I don't hear any, dude. Mustang Week, it was bad when I drove it. It was bad.
Smooth as a baby's bottom.
Oh yeah, that was it. That was definitely it, bro. That's way better. Like it feels normal now.
Yeah, sounds normal.
That's exactly what it was. Jordan said it took a lot of grease. Damn. You trying to kill this little squirrel? Give me it. Give me my shit. Thank you, sir. Business has been great.
Now let's hope my end works out for me, bro. I might get cooked. I'm not gonna lie. I might have sold myself out. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, dude.
This is bad. You really like took an addict to the drugstore. No.
It's good though. This is good. This is good for both of us. I knew it was gonna be a perfect proposition.
It actually is, because I've been talking and thinking about upgrading my editing rig. Now Tyler's gonna have my old iMac, which is a Boss. He bought a new camera. Actually, he has both of my old stuff now. He has my old camera rig, and he has my old iMac, which is it's kind of sick though, because it's gonna be really good for him. The laptops, the old laptops are just thing of the past, man. But now we're going to Green Top, see if he gets his new Hellcat that he's looking at.
All right. So the trip's been complete, and let's just say it worked out in everybody's favor.
It's a good day.
Oh my gosh. All right, so everything worked out. And as you can see, I did swindle the Mac setup from him too. Because what did I make him do? I made him go out and spend bread on that.
So my boy math is, yes, we spent bread on a Mac, $1,300, tax write-off, because we're filming. I got myself this beautiful 365. This beautiful 1911 with a light on there.
So he came out on top with the Mac and 2 of my straps, which is it's a good day for him, man. I came back out on top with the Hellcat Pro.
You're back in a Mopar, baby.
Comp though. Got the comp.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, I didn't even see the compensator up there. That's sick.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that at first.
I saw that there, and there was no way I was leaving without that.
Dude, this thing is a beauty. I'm a little jealous. I like the way that feels. The 365, I mean, it feels good. Since I put the extended on too, the extended really gave it that grip. But the Hellcat's a clean gun.
So this, y'all seen in all of my videos sitting in the car, I'm sure. This is my baby right here. But I'm trying to grind the content, man. There's things I need to do, and I will get another one. So this will be just fine in the meantime. I mean, come on. Come on. Woo! But yeah, it's safe to say we went crazy today for no absolute reason. We got work to do. Time to get to business. This is one of the most god tier endings to a video I've recorded on this channel. Not only did your boy swindle the Mac from Derek, so I have an elite station for editing, shredding up some vids, some good content. Not only did I get my Hellcat Pro comp, Your boy bought a camera and it just got delivered to Derek's house. We're on the way to pick it up. We are going to be official as a whistle. No more GoPro, full-time vlog. GoPro is strictly an action camera now. POV driving, pure action shots. This will officially be the last video recorded on the GoPro strictly. And it's funny because the camera I bought is actually Derek's camera before the current one. Came in from North Carolina today, and man, I am pumped. And perhaps the best news of all, the clunking sound in Sonic is completely gone. It's been 3 days of driving it every day for at least an hour simply to check for that sound. It's gone. It's completely gone. It was the upper control arm bushing that was bone dry. And it was already fishy enough. It took a lot of grease. You know, it took quite a few pumps of grease in there, so it was just so obvious from the get. A little annoying though. The years, just even for Joel having the car, him trying to track it down, then to immediately me trying to track it down. All the things we did, all the stuff we replaced, just for it to be a bushing that needed some grease. It was always destined to be something silly. Nonetheless, it's fixed, problem solved, and it was nothing major at all. It was literally a simple dry bushing. Sonic is officially a mint condition car. Like, literally a mint condition car. Whew. Oh my God. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. The new official. Yeah! Hey, looks pretty good on me, doesn't it?
About to have a fucking party in
Dude,
this motherfucker.
I'm about to pass out.
Bye-bye GoPro.